To control your L300 Go system from the cuff, follow these simple instructions. Turn on the cuff by pressing the power button. You will see an intermittent flashing green light. No stimulation will be given when the cuff is flashing green. To enter walking mode, also known as gait mode, press the wave button one time. You will notice the flashing light is now orange, indicating that the Bioness L300 Go system is ready to provide stimulation. If you would like to test the stimulation before walking, kick or move your leg to engage. If you feel stimulation, you are ready to begin walking. To enter training mode, hold the wave button for 2 beeps. The orange light will begin flashing and you will immediately feel preset timed stimulation that will turn on for a few seconds and off for a few seconds, and then repeat. It is important not to walk while in this mode, as it provides this preset timed stimulation. To turn off the L300 Go cuff, hold the power button down until you feel a long vibrate and no lights are on.